Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we practice Titibhasana, Biprita Titibhasana, Kurmasana, Uthita Kurmasana. 4 posture. So for 2 posture, Biprita Titibhasana and Kurmasana, you need a strap. And in this posture, we need forward bending, little bit leg stretching, and we use our hand and shoulder. So continue start today practice. Sit in any comfortable position. First we stretch our hand. So inhale, lift your both arms, interlock your finger, stretch your body upside, lengthen your spine to stretch up as much as you can and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your hand, interlock your finger back side, then try to stretch your arms. Stretch your arms maximum, maintain in final position. Stretch up more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go forward, rotate your wrist, lengthen your spine and hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, relax your hand and relax your leg forward side. Bend your knee, lengthen your spine, use your hip, your navel, try to on the floor, lengthen your spine maximum, lift your hip one by one, catch your leg and go full forward. Your navel try to on the floor. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, go forward, use your hip. Inhale, lift your body up. Last time, try to go forward maximum. Exhale, hold in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, bend your knee, continue same position. Put your both hand inside and first relax your hand beside your hip. Relax hand here, then slowly try to leg straight, lock your knee, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee, relax your hand. Same position, we try to catch our finger backside. If you can't catch, use a strap, and if easily you can catch, then come in final position directly. So first catch this position, bend your knee in same position, go forward, put your hand inside, then catch a strap. Try to catch a strap easily and slowly try to leg straight, lock your knee, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Already 2 times finished this, so try to now catch your finger. If now also can't catch, then catch a strap, continue. So first try to put your hand inside. And again go forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your hand. I can't catch because you can see my belly have big. If small belly I can catch. Before I catch many times, and I think after few days I also can, because this time I start our practice. Continue, we practice Uthita Kurmasana, same position. This is Kurmasana. Now we practice Uthita Kurmasana. So first open your leg, Put your hand back side. Open your arms maximum or back side of hill. Drop your palm, hip push back side. Look forward. Check your arms. Arms need standing position. If your arms going out, you can close. If have arms inside, then open. Look forward. Use your hip. In Kurmasana, you already lengthen spine. So lengthen spine and then slowly try to lift your leg one by one. Try to look forward. Use your hip and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Lift your hip up. You already understand Kurmasana and Uthita Kurmasana. Both postures same, just one posture lift and one posture on floor. Now we practice Biprita Titibhasana. Then we practice Titibhasana. For Biprita Titibhasana, I do close leg first. Then knee outside, go inside. Your shoulder come back side of knee. Back side of knee. Close maximum, go inside and maintain here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your body and look forward. Relax your leg. Now same position. We first try to open arms. If possible, then try to catch our finger. So knee outside. Go inside maximum. Then try to arms back. Then open leg. And try to leg straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, palm on the floor, leg straight. Relax your breath first. You see, I can't catch. If you also can't catch, then use strap. Same position of Kurmasana. Catch here. And try to go down. Hip down. If you can understand, then you no need close leg. But if you not understand, then same close leg, hand back side, then catch strap and slowly open leg. So first open leg, I know this side now, you can understand already. Hip down, catch back side. Then leg straight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Palm on the floor. You also try your best and I also try. We try one time more. And now try without a strap. You can use a strap also. And last time I try without a strap. If possible, then try to catch our finger. If can't do, then arms continue back side. So try as your best. Try to come in final position. Relax. When you practice, you always try to give your best. Then one time come when you can do your final position. Now we practice Titibhasana. For Titibhasana, same. You go inside, your leg come upside of shoulder, drop your palm back side and try to lift your leg up. First come this position, then make balance and slowly try to leg straight. Lock your knee. relax. If you can't do Titibhasana, then same position you use a strap. First lock a strap. Yes, you lock a strap, put your leg here, catch, same position, catch, then go inside, palm here, then try to all body weight shift on your hand and slowly try to leg straight. Lock your knee and come in final position. If you catch your leg not slip, not go much out, then easily you can lift your leg. And final position. Last time everyone try. You already see both options. So come in final position. Go inside, put your hand, then try to lift your leg and hold in final position. Try maximum 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Sit down. Little bit we do twisting. The same position. Raise your arms up to shoulder level. Twist your abdomen left side. Exhale. Your forehead try to touch the floor. Back side. Inhale, come center. Exhale, continue other side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Continue. We try one time more. All two postures, Titibhasana, Biprita Titibhasana. Then we again try Kurmasana and Uthita Kurmasana. So first try Biprita. You choose your option and try to come in final position. Go inside. Relax. If you want try more, then continue practice. You do practice how much that good for you. You become flexible. Now forward Kurmasana. Oh my God. Running is tough. So first I finish Uthita Kurmasana. You check again, open your leg, drop your palm back side of heel, then all body weight shift on your hand, look forward, lengthen spine and try to lift your both leg. Hip continue down, spine straight, elbow bend. My hand have inside, so I need open hand more. You check also by self what have wrong. Lock knee, use your hip, look forward. This time my hand is okay. Maintain. I hope you all are understand very clearly. Little bit relax, lie down. Here already running start, so I can't make more video. Move your finger, move your toes, interlock your finger, inhale, stretch your arms, toes out, lengthen your spine, exhale. exhale, relax your hand, palm come under your head, bend your knee and leg move left and right both sides. Slowly move left side and sit down. I hope you all are understand very clearly this all four posture. If have any confusion, you do comment in comment box in any posture, all four posture. Then I try to make again more deeply and more longer video, very clear more. Okay, see you next time. Namaste. If anybody want to learn online yoga class, then can contact with me. Namaste. Bye bye. Already running start, so I can't make more. If not running, then I think I make more deeply little, but I see here weather not good. You see, running too deep now, so I need go room also. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.